one of the last snows for Krylon and Sassy. Because hopefully we'll be moving down south where it's warmer. It's cold, right? We're gonna go in soon. Come on, Krylon, we're gonna go in soon. It's getting cold. Let's go, Krylon. Come on, let's go. It's getting cold. It's cold out. Come on, let's go. Ready? Come on, let's go. Come on, Sassy. Come on, Krylon, let's go. Come on, let's go. It's cold. Thank you, God. You sure? Whoa. Let's see. Be tired. Ready? Let's go, Clown Sassy. Sassy, pay attention. Let's go. Last snow of the year. Last snow for Krylon and Sassy, because hopefully we're moving down south.